Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add or insert image or videos into CapCut PC. So here I've already opened my CapCut PC, and to import media like image or video to CapCut PC, you just need to click on the media menu at the top, then click on the local tab, and next click on the import button. Then just select the image or video that you want to add to the CapCut PC. Okay, and click on open. Okay, after you import the video or image to CapCut PC, to start your editing and add the video to the track, just click on the plus icon and it will be added to the track. In here you can just start your edits. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.